My name is Liz. I'm from the United States, from Arizona, and I heard about this workshop on the internet. And I came because I hadn't done much dance in a long time, especially contemporary dance. And I just really wanted the chance to get back into it and use my body and learn and remember. And it's been great. It's been a wonderful experience. The teachers have been fantastic, and we've had a good combination of learning movement phrases and exploring ideas and techniques, working together in groups and alone, and it's kind of been everything. It's been exactly what I hoped it would be, and I think that anybody who is thinking about coming should come with an open mind and be ready to have fun and work really hard and connect with some really great people in a very helpful and supportive atmosphere, and which is one of the best things about this workshop, is everyone is working together and helping each other and supporting each other as dancers and as artists, and so it's great.